something like a Chintan Shivir. Because new ideas, creative ideas, out of the box solutions, it all comes to our mind only when the mind is in a state of relaxation. And this is the perfect time. I congratulate the department for having selected this particular period of time for hosting this Chintan Shivir. And I'm very confident that all the stakeholders who we have here today will be able to make a very relevant contribution. Before coming here, we were all, three of us, we were sitting and we were just talking and understanding that India has such a huge agricultural land. And the Department of Fertilizer has an enormous responsibility. So before we begin this Chintan Shivir, it is a time to remind us that fulfilling the demands of our farmers who are present in every nook and corner of this country and supplying, as Secretary Sahib has informed me, 150 crore bags of fertilizers to all these farmers, it requires a huge effort. And considering that, all our officers, the entire team at Department of Fertilizers, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, our officers were sitting in the state governments, our fertilizer companies, our technical experts, everybody in all the other ministries of government of India. We coordinate a lot with while we want to ensure timely and sufficient supply of fertilizers. I think everybody deserves deep appreciation. It's a huge effort, it's a collective, is why we are able to achieve such a big objective. This year especially, we face so many global uncertainties. But despite all that, I am so happy that Department of Fertilizers, along with all the stakeholders, has done a commendable job. In every part of this country, we have been able to ensure timely and sufficient supply of all the desired fertilizers. And Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, envisions, when we talk of a Viksit Bharat, he says India has to become the food basket of the world. So this is a very important aspect, the supply of fertilizers, which we need to take care of. As I see that every relevant stakeholder is present here today, and when we see your enthusiastic participation, we're confident that this Chintan Shivir will deliver some real meaningful outcomes. When all of you sit together, and I just quickly went through the thematic areas that have been selected for the deliberations today, I think it's a wonderful selection, because despite all our success, there are still challenges, there are still issues that need our attention. So whether it is Atmanirbharta or self-sufficiency in fertilizers, there are so many issues, whether it is encouraging our farmers to reduce the use of chemical fertilizers and move a little more towards the alternate biofertilizers, taking care of the health of our soil. There are so many things that we really need to find innovative solutions to. We have several different forums on which we hold these discussions. We have our parliamentary standing committees, we have our consultative committees, and under the chairmanship of Nadda ji, we discuss with our honorable members of parliament. But then all those are time-bound meetings. So we have a definite time period and we have to just pick up one or two subjects. But Chintan Shivir is a platform which will give us an opportunity to discuss a host of issues, a wide range of issues which are so relevant and which need an in-depth discussion and exchange of ideas. And I'm sure every stakeholder who's present here today have so much of experience. When we are engaged in these routine activities, there are so many things that we notice, but we need a platform to put forth those observations and to share those suggestions so we could come up with newer policies which could improve our fertilizer delivery across the country. So this is the perfect timing. This is also the perfect platform. And I think the whole day today, you will be sitting in different groups. Lots of new ideas on a gamut of issues will come up. I'm also informed that fertilizer companies are holding their parallel sessions. So a lot of brainstorming is going on there as well. So all I would like to say is we have to make the best use of this opportunity. We look forward to your suggestions, to your creative ideas, because we all collectively want to improve fertilizer delivery in our country and fulfill the dream of our Honorable Prime Minister for this country. And I wish you all the best. I'm sure with the renewed energy and vigor that you've come here with a new year, we'll have lots to look forward to and we'll get a new guidance, new direction from the department. Thank you very much. All the best once again for your discussions.